how to post a TikTok link on Snapchat story. So if you want to post a TikTok link on your Snapchat story, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening the TikTok, you need to just go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll have share profile option. Tap on share profile, and then you will have copy link option, which is on the bottom. Tap on copy link. Once you've copied the link, now you can go back and open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, just go and take a snap. Once you've taken a snap, now you need to go with link, which is on the right side, and here you need to paste the link. Now tap on allow, and then go with done, tap on attach to snap, which is on the bottom, and that's it. Now you can go and send, and in this way you'll be able to post. You can go with story, which is on the bottom left, and it will be added to your TikTok link on your Snapchat story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.